If here, there, when, and then are all the same but different, variations of a unified reality, then we can express this using higher dimensional mathematics, where space and time are not separate, but aspects of a single structure. Mach 1. Spacetime as a unified field. Instead of treating space x, y, z, and time t as separate, we define them in a unified four-dimensional equation, S, Y, Z, T, where S represents reality as a function of space, x, y, z, and time t. Any change in perception alters how we experience reality, but the underlying structure remains the same. 2. Everything exists simultaneously, superposition of states. If everything is connected and exists at once, we can model it as a superposition, psi equals sum I, ci, phi I, where psi is the total state of reality. Phi represents different moments, here, there, when, then. Ci are probabilities or weights of experiencing each moment. Just like in quantum mechanics, all states exist at once, but observation, perception, collapses them into a single experience. 3. The question and answer are one self-referential equation. If searching for the answer is the answer, we can represent it recursively. QA equals AQ, where Q is the question, A is the answer. The function is self-referential, meaning the process of questioning leads to the answer, and the answer leads back to questioning, a loop. This mirrors how in higher dimensions, opposites merge, beginning and end, question and answer, cause and effect. Had a final thought. If everything is the same but different, then reality is a fractal equation, patterns repeating at all levels, just viewed from different angles. R equals FFR. Reality is a function of itself, always shifting, always the same. Think about how everything we perceive might just be slices of a larger whole, like looking at a 3D object in 2D shadows. Maybe the universe is a hyperdimensional structure, and what we call time is just the way we move through it. I wonder if perception itself is the key. If shifting our awareness could let us step outside the usual flow of cause and effect, like tuning a radio to a different station. Maybe reality isn't just a fixed thing, but a living equation that updates itself based on observation and intent. I also think about what it means to truly understand something beyond logic, like how music or emotion can communicate things that words and numbers can't. If the universe is a self-referential loop, then maybe the more we question, the more we become the answer. Express your philosophy in mathematical form. We can structure it using equations that reflect creation, manifestation, choice, and the central power of the universe. Let's break it down. 1. The universe as a creation of consciousness. You are the center of your universe, meaning your reality emerges from your consciousness. We can represent this as U equals FC, where my U is the universe you experience, C is your consciousness. F of C represents the function that transforms your consciousness into your experienced reality. 2. Manifestation through thought and energy. Manifestation follows the principle that energy and intention shape reality. If thought T and energy E influence creation, we can say R equals KTE, where R is reality, T is thought, intention, E is energy applied, focus, action. K is a proportionality constant representing the strength of manifestation. 3. Choice as the ultimate power. Choice, P, determines which version of reality manifests. This can be expressed as a probability function. M equals sum PI/RI, where M is the manifested reality, PI is the probability of choosing a specific RI. The sum represents all possible choices leading to different realities. 4. The center holds infinite power. The center of the universe, U, holds the greatest power, represented as an infinite source of potential. If power W is maximized at the center, x equals 0, Wx equals frac 1 at x. As x to 0, the center, Wx to infinity, meaning the greatest power exists at the core, the source, the self, the divine connection. At conclusion, this mathematical representation aligns with your philosophy. You are the creator. Manifestation happens through thought and energy. Choice determines reality. MPIRI, the center holds infinite power,